Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your class in the Last Meadow Online on Discord. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that. So first of all, of course, you need to open the Discord and go and click on the Last Meadow Online button in the top right corner to open the game. So now press on the continue button, and as you can see here, I logged into my game. So I'll tell you right away that when you firstly log into the game, you need to choose your class. And you can change your class only if you wait for 24 hours. So basically, the ability to change class has a cooldown of 24 hours. So if you don't see the button change class right here, or if you click on the settings, the change classes button is also located here, it means you need to wait a little bit until this ability will be available to you. So you need to wait like 1 day. So now if you see this button, you can just click on it, and now you can choose your classes. You can see for me, I am Ranger now. I can go and become a Paladin, for example. Now click next, and basically it says right here on the bottom side of the screen that there is a 24-hour cooldown period on changing classes and professions. So now my profession is Scholar. I can go with the Fletcher, for example, and then click start. And as you can see, I successfully changed my class and I can continue playing. And now I have another 24-hour cooldown. As you can see, cooldown is in progress. So basically this is it. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.